Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Chowbar 2800 professional hair dryer. There is an image of the hair dryer on top, and that's all the information we have. We just know that this is a 2000 watt hair dryer. Now let's take a look inside the box and see what's inside. Is that it all? Is that all we have? Yes, that seems to be. This is all we have inside the box. So this is what the 2000 watt hair dryer looks like. This is the Chowbar 2800. It's a pretty big, it's a much larger hair dryer than your other variants. This comes with this piano black finish as well. This is the power cable that comes with it. This is a 250 volt power cable, and these are the power buttons. These are the speed settings. There are two kinds of buttons, one for hot air, the other for your normal air. And this is, I am assuming, your normal start and stop button, this one. There's also a nozzle. This is the one that you use to, narrow or streamline the flow of air. And anything else? No, this is not tangle-free swivel, so that's it. And this is what you find inside the box containing the Chowbar 2800 professional hair dryer. Thank you for watching.